In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating and opening Clock app. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour at the top. Following that, hit repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to select. Or if all of those are blue, click on the ones that you wish to exclude. When you finished, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Then select Sound. Click on Vibration at the top and select a perfect vibration pattern for your incoming alarm by clicking on it. You can also select Synchronized at the top or choose None at the bottom. When you finished, go back and by tapping on Music on Device, select any song from your smartphone as your new incoming alarm one by clicking on it. If you don't want to do that, just click on one of those melodies, like Ocean Whisper. If you want to, for example, for your alarm to only vibrate, set up Vibrations and select None at the bottom to disable ringtone. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back, hit Label and name your alarm however you want to. Then select OK. Now tap on ring duration and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, when you finished, click on snooze duration and adjust those two sliders to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then hit OK and tap on this check mark at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To edit it, click on it, change whatever you want to and click on this check mark again. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to delete it, hold it, hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!